Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you one hairstyle that you can do on short natural hair. So first of all, this is my hair that I just washed and moisturized. So basically the moisturizer that I'm going to be using is the Nancy Falaise Nourishing Cream. Then I'm gonna start to part my hair, and today I'm gonna do only 2 braids in the front, so I'm actually gonna part in the middle. You can also part on the side, or which way best for you. And then I'm gonna start braiding. Then I'm gonna attach the braid at the ends, and I'm not gonna finish the braids just to have a more puffy afro in the back. And then as you can see, my hair got a little bit dry on the back, so I'm just basically gonna hydrate them with water in my spray, and then I'm gonna add some of my Nancy Falaise Nourishing Cream leave-in conditioner in my hair to make those curls a bit pop. Once I'm done this, I'm just gonna add my golden wire that I bought from Walmart, and it's actually like in the section of sewing and creation things, and it's a really good hair accessories because I can use it again and again. It won't like change color or anything like this. Like, it's really good, and it's really simple as a hair jewelry. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.